Hello fellow trailblazers, welcome to another episode of Escapes and Money Adventures with TK. Now in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts, or rather I'm going to paint a landscape of the digital financial services or digital financial platforms that are available in Lesotho. It's really an exciting time for the industry, and I'm very excited to see financial services providers rolling out innovative, disruptive solutions geared at addressing the financial inclusion crisis. Now, what is also exciting is these innovations really are changing the way we do business, the way we transact online, the way we do our banking, and the way we really access financial services. So now, in today's video, I want to review some of the 2021-2022 innovations that I think are really quite innovative, disruptive, and of course exciting. So I will start first with Standard Lesotho Bank's Unayo financial platform. So now Unayo was launched on the 7th of February 2022, and I had the privilege of actually going to the launch event. So now Unayo is a new innovative product by Standard Lesotho Bank that helps customers cash in money, cash out, cash in, cash out, make inter-account transfers, and this app you can download on the Google Play or Apple Store. And what I loved about the app is, one, you can access this app via using your smartphone, or alternatively using USSD. Now, what is also quite innovative about this product is you can do self-registration, which is amazing. And then number two is on the mobile app, it actually allows you to take a selfie as an additional way to control the security issues. So as I'm literally on my phone registering, it asks me to take a selfie, and that looks super cool. So I thought that was really quite amazing. And of course, Unayo is across the African continent where the Standard Bank Group is. For example, the Kingdom of Eswatini, it's in Botswana, it's in Lesotho now, which was recently launched, like I mentioned. And of course, it's in addition to the existing products that Standard Lesotho Bank has, such as your instant money, such as your mobile banking or cell phone banking, and of course internet banking. So now that's the first one that I wanted to highlight, particularly because it was introduced recently. The second innovation that I want to speak about that happened in 2021-2022 is of course VCL Financial Services, which is Vodacom, part of the Vodacom group, the M-Pesa app. So M-Pesa has been around, I think, for many years in the Lesotho context, I think from 2013, which also allows you to send money, cash out, pay merchant, pay your bills, and everything else in between. So VCL Financial Services introduced the M-Pesa app recently, but it's only available for people who have Android. They haven't rolled out to Apple devices, so that is something to think about. Now, this app allows you to synchronize and transact and synchronize your phone contents to ensure adequacy when sending specific amounts of money to different users. Now, VCL also introduced the overdraft facility, which is which is basically an overdraft facility that gives you, if you want to pay for something or you want to send somebody money and you have insufficient funds, they give you a temporary loan and overdraft facility to help facilitate that transaction. And of course, you're paid back when you top up your M-Pesa wallet. The third innovation that I thought was really worth highlighting is Chaperone CPay's bank-to-wallet solution. Now, of course, Chaperone is one of the newest players in the market. I think they entered the market around 2020, if I'm not mistaken, and they are the guys with the green branding. So they introduced the bank-to-wallet. Of course, with CPay, you are also able to cash in, send money, pay merchants, and the likes, like the other financial services that I've mentioned earlier on. Now, with CPay's bank-to-wallet, it allows its customers to transact where you can literally top up your wallet using your Visa or your MasterCard card, which is really, really great. I know in fact, the other two mobile network operators introduced this many, many years ago, but of course, CPay in its second year of operations introduced the bank to wallet. Also worth mentioning from a CPay perspective is they also introduced the group savings functionality, which allows organizations or stokvels or mekhatlo in the Lesotho context to save using CPay. So I know VCL and I know Econet, which I'll speak about later on in the video, they literally had the group savings functionality. But again, CPay came into the market and is really quite disruptive. So to see them roll out the bank to wallet and of course their mekhatlo or group savings functionality is something to look out for. The fourth one is, of course, First National Bank e-commerce platform. Now, this was also recently launched. I think it was launched earlier, late 2021 or earlier sometime this year. So the e-commerce platform literally enables businesses to afford their customers the opportunity to transact conveniently and safely online. Now, why do I think this is cool? I think the e-commerce platform in the Lesotho context, online shopping has not really taken off like it should as compared to other markets. And to see the e-commerce platform launched and rolled out in Lesotho is really quite interesting. FNB also has the Lai Cash Plus solution, which also allows you the opportunity to send money, receive money, and cash out. And it's also kind of linked to the e-wallet solution, which is really quite a game changer. Now, of course, it would not be justice not to mention Econet Telecom Lesotho's mobile money services. Now, you'll remember that Econet also has the opportunity for you to send, receive, pay bills, and pay merchants using the platform. Now, what I also love about the EcoCash is now they also have an insurance, EcoSure, I think in this case, that also enables you to pay your, it's an insurance, like an insurance product, if you will, you know. So I thought that was really quite cool because again, what are we trying to solve? We're trying to solve for financial inclusion, you know. So if you're able to pay your insurance premiums, you're able to send your loved ones money, that is a thumbs up for me. Now, of course, I've done a review on Lesotho Post Bank, Kgetsi, which is also a platform that also allows you to send, receive money, and do everything else. But Lesotho Post Bank recently launched their Kgetsi app, which literally enables you to send money, receive money, pay for bills, save or pay for your mekhatlo. And you can download this particular app on the Google Play, or you can access Kgetsi using USSD. Now, it would not be fair of me to speak about all these exciting things happening in the market without mentioning Nedbank Lesotho's money app. They also recently launched their money app, which is enabling their customers to literally transact conveniently using their smartphones. And of course, you can still access it using USSD, but you can download the Nedbank Lesotho's app for on the Apple Store for Apple users, and of course on Google Play for Android users. Now, Nedbank also offers other banking solutions such as the Send Money product. So besides the app that they recently launched, they do have the send money option that enables us to send money and do all these things. So let's do a quick recap of everything I spoke about. Standard Lesotho Bank launched Unayo in February 2022, which I'm yet to see how it performs. Unayo basically allows you to send money, receive money, cash in, cash out, and if you're in the business side, it also allows you to be an agent and you can earn a commission. VCL Financial Services launched its M-Pesa app, and of course the overdraft facility called Nkatse, which is really quite, I've used it myself and I love it, you know. Thirdly is CPay has rolled out its bank to wallet functionality where you can top up your wallet using your Visa or MasterCard debit card, and of course the mekhatlo group saving. It has a special name, I actually forgot what it's called. I think it's Sabu Sabu or something like that, which is really quite cool. And then of course I spoke about FNB's e-commerce platform that was recently launched, and of course it's Lai Cash Plus product enabling you to cash in and cash out. Now in the fifth place was Econet's mobile money services EcoCash, enabling you to transfer money between accounts. You can also do a bank to wallet and wallet to bank with EcoCash, which is really quite cool. And last, in the sixth place is Lesotho Post Bank's Kgetsi app, which was recently launched, available on Google and Apple, and of course via USSD. And then lastly was Nedbank's money app, and of course its bank sent money. Sorry, it's a Friday afternoon, so I'm a bit tired. Anyway, so as exciting as this is for me, and it's a lot of work being done towards financial inclusion. My only concern, however, and this is a big challenge to all these financial services providers rolling out products. My biggest concern, however, as a personal finance coach is what are we doing to bring the customer on board on this digital transformation? I say this because in 2022, some of our people are still struggling to use an ATM. So what more when we're rolling out mobile apps? What more when we're rolling out internet banking, cell phone banking, mobile banking, if you will, and all these innovative products where currently in Lesotho, financial literacy remains a cause for concern. And then secondly, the digital divide cannot be ignored. Excuse me. So now, as excited as I am, I believe and I challenge all these financial services providers to really be intentional about the digital financial literacy of its consumers. And I'm not just talking about pretending to be providing that. Actually invest time, financial resources, and a lot of effort in educating the customer. You can do this using different ways. Create content, do videos, go on radio, use social media. That's for you to decide. My concern is we are moving to the digital financial services space, and we are moving there so quickly because technology is really disrupting the way we do things. And of course, COVID-19 really showed us that we don't need to be spending so much money. In fact, what am I saying? COVID-19 showed us that we don't really need to be carrying a lot of cash. We should embrace digital platforms. So what are we doing to educate the consumer to embrace these digital platforms? Digital financial services are here. They've disrupted the way we transact, the way we interact financially. But, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is putting a lot of pressure on consumers. So my challenge in this particular video and going forward is let's help the consumer embrace the digital platforms, because if they know how to use it, they are able to buy the financial products, and of course the uptake on these different platforms can become better. So now you probably are using one or three or five or all of these digital financial platforms I spoke about. Tell me in the comment section below which one you are using. Tell me what your experience is. Tell me what you like or dislike about it, and let me know how the experience is. And of course, let me know if these financial services providers are doing enough to actually educate us as consumers of these digital financial products. Until the next video, 3 easy steps. 1, like this video if you like it. Number 2, do not be shy to leave a comment below and let me know what you're thinking about the video, how your experience is, and everything else I mentioned earlier on. And number 3, subscribe. I have 67% of people watching my videos that have not subscribed to the channel. It's important for you to subscribe to grow the community of trailblazers. So do not be shy to hit the subscribe button. And then number 4, guys, share this video, share the channel with your family, friends, your Mojolo person, your everything else. Share the video because we want to grow the channel to more subscribers, to more views, to, yeah, you get my drift. Until the next video, which will be Valentine's on Monday. Valentine is coming. Yeah, for us single people, salute and cheers to you guys. Until the next video, guys, love, peace, and money. Ciao, ciao, ciao.